Aris presents Pagoni, House of Ties in Athens. The founder Tassos Pagonis had an immense love, we could call it passion, to this male accessory called tie. Everything he was observing was trying to visualize it in order to consist a creation of a tie. He had taste, immense talent to the colors, and tremendous inspirations to the texture, and created special ties which had nothing to do with the models of that time. He was innovative. The Pagonis tie designs became immediately well known to the whole exquisite families of Athens. The Pagonis tie became fashion, and his reputation surpassed the borders of his country. He created the design, the tissue production, and the handmade sewing, all by his own Tassos Pagonis, became a master of tie for those who were occupied with it in his country, and not only. Famous international fashion groups, which had initiated their collaboration with him, were thanking him for his advice. Now, we present you Mariana Pagoni, worthy successor of the firm of Pagoni Maison de Cravates, that will guide us in this historic tie story.
Σας καλωσορίζουμε στο σπιτικό μας, στον οίκο μας. Είμαστε η Pagoni Maison de Cravates και είμαι η Mariana Pagoni.
The recognition for Tassos Pagonis was international, and he was smiling with satisfaction when he was watching others copying him, because, as he was saying, copy increases the market standards. His imagination and the quality to his ties were the fundamental elements that made him increase continuously his clientele in the competition, and he was the only one who succeeded in making a profitable business in those difficult times.
Είμαστε στο σχεδιασμό που είναι η έμπνευσή μας όλοι και γίνονται οι κολεξιόν που γι' αυτό έχει κρατηθεί τόσα χρόνια ο οίκος μας και ευελπιστούμε σε άλλα τόσα. Είναι γιορτή για μας η δημιουργία.
Pagonis House of Ties has created also ties for famous personalities, such as King of Charles of England, Constantine of Greece, the Greek tycoon Aristotle Onassis, the actress Sharon Stone, the Italian president Silvio Berlusconi, the Greek president Kostas Karamanlis, the Greek president Evangelos Avrof, the Greek musician Georgos Sambaitis, and many others.
Ερχόμαστε στην επική κραβάτα Pagoni, που είναι η συγκεκριμένη με τις ελληνικές σημαίες. Τη βλέπετε φρέσκια και όμορφη. Αυτή λοιπόν σχεδιάστηκε από μένα το 2003, το δεύτερο εξάμηνο, εν ώψη των Ολυμπιακών Αγώνων που ήταν το 2004 στην Αθήνα. Έχει φορεθεί και πού δεν έχει πάει, σε όλη την Ιφίλιο. Τι να λέμε, με τον βασιλέα Κάρολο, που του είχαν δωρήσει. Γι' αυτό όλοι μου γράφουνε, δεν μπορείτε να φανταστείτε, από όλα τα μέρη του κόσμου. Δηλαδή, από όλα τα μέρη του κόσμου, βροχή οι παραγγελίες για συγκεκριμένη γραβάτα που την ονομάζουν η γραβάτα της ελληνικής υπερηφάνειας. Το λέω και δακρύζω και λέω, είναι το μεγαλύτερο παράσημο που μπορούσα να πάρω σαν Μαριάννα Παγώνη, την ιστορία των προγόνων μου, αλλά και τη συνέχεια για το παιδί μου και το εγγόνι μου πρώτα ο Θεός, που να είναι, γιατί τη λατρεύουμε την πατρίδα μας, τη λατρεύουμε.